Hello, my fellow art history students. My name is Amber de Oliveira, and I am majoring in show production and touring here at Full Sail University. The name of my industry professional is Corey Jacobs. He teaches AVT, which is live video recording class at Full Sail. I asked Corey a few questions about art in the industry, and I am here today to share those answers with you. So here we go. Number 1. What do you see as the role of the visual arts in today's society, particularly in your profession? Corey's answer was, today, visual arts can be a better tool to communicate than text. To expand upon his response, he means that nowadays, just some words on a board does not really make an impact on society. We have grown very accustomed to it. But if we use pictures and art, make it creative and maybe interactive, it's going to grab attention much, much better. Number 2. New communications and media technologies make imagery almost instantly available. Do you believe that this has had a positive or negative influence on your field and industry? Please provide an example. Corey responded, "For me it has been positive in that we can use images and distort them to fit our projects. Basically, there is more room for creativity." What he means by this is that the options are limitless. Because of the fact that imagery is so readily available nowadays, you can look up almost any image you want and print it out and include it in a project. Everything is just at your fingertips. Number 3. What popular images do you see that are frequently repeated throughout your industry? Corey's response was the crown of thorns. Number 4. Who is one of your favorite visual artists and/or what is your favorite style of visual art? Corey's response was Chris Kuroda, the lighting designer for Fish. This is because he makes moving lights into moving watercolors. What Corey meant here by makes moving lights into moving watercolors is that the way Chris Kuroda makes the lights look on stage is not like light at all. He can make the colors from them blend so smoothly and create such effects and feelings that it's more like looking at a painting. You don't even need the music, you can just watch and feel what the music is portraying. Number 5. How has your knowledge of famous artworks influenced your creative process? Corey said, "Greatly in the way of expression. My favorite artist by far is Vincent van Gogh." Upon asking Corey to expand upon the way Vincent van Gogh has influenced and inspired him, he said that as a video engineer, he really has to see the video as a painting. He has to balance the color and make sure it is bright or dark enough to protect. Thanks for watching, guys. Special thanks to Corey Jacobs for helping me out. Hope you enjoyed it.